Verifying your identity on Adyen is an essential process to ensure secure transactions and compliance with regulations. Follow these steps to complete the identity verification process. Step 1. Access the Adyen platform. Log into your Adyen account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding with identity verification. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide required information. Fill out the necessary personal information as prompted. This may include your full name, address, date of birth, and any other relevant details that Adyen requires for verification. Step 4. Upload supporting documents. Prepare and upload the required documents to verify your identity. Common documents include a government-issued ID, passport, or utility bill that shows your name and address. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After completing the form and uploading your documents, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation email once your identity has been verified, which may take a few minutes to several days. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Adyen. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Adyen's customer support for assistance.